Hi class, it's Mr. Fallstrom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add new slides to your slideshow and also how to change the layout. So in this project you have to make an Industrial Revolution research project. I gave directions, I gave you some examples, and then you had to make your own slides. So there's two ways you can add slides to a Google Slideshow. The first way is up here. If you just go to slide, you can click on that and you can see right here there is an option for new slide. You can delete or copy a slide. You can duplicate a slide, delete a slide. So if you want to add a new slide, you can just click that. You can also see that there's a keyboard shortcut, Control+M. So if I hold down Control and M on my keyboard, that also, you can see over here, it made another slide. If I want to get rid of a slide, I can click on a slide I don't like and I can come up to slide and I can hit delete slide. Or if I want to just click on a slide and I just want to hit the delete key on my keyboard or the backspace key, that also will delete a slide. So you can do a lot of things up here. The other shortcut is over here. There is this plus button. And if you click that, you can see right here as I hover my mouse over it, it says new slide. So if I click this, that will make a new slide for me. You can see that the slide that I created, this is sort of the default slide layout that it gave me right here with a space for a title and room for text. But if I don't, there's actually many different types of slide layouts. So if you click on slide and you go to apply layout, you can, there's all these other, like if I want a blank slide, I don't want anything on it. Maybe I just want a section header in the middle. Maybe I want a title with 2 columns. Maybe I just want 1 column, and so on. So maybe you want a big number. It's just there's all these options. So that's one way you can do it. Another way to do it too is here next to this plus arrow, there's a little button. And if you click on that little arrow, you can pick what type of new slide I want to add. So let's say I want to add my next slide I want to add. I just want to have 1 column. I'll click that and it creates a slide for me with that layout. So depending on what type of information you want to present or what type of project you're doing or what you're making, you might want to look at the different layouts. So I hope you learned how to make new slides in this video and how to change the layouts. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and I'll see you around on the next video.